Okay, so previously we did a quick repair to this knob right here. You can see it's really not perfect, but it's hanging in there. But now we're going to do it the proper way with actually a new part so that the switch can hook into here. So the first step is going to be taking off the knobs. I'm going to unplug it. And we want to take off this back piece. And we can see with the new piece that we have where all the screws are. So those are going to be the 3 screws we have to take out. Okay, once we have those 3 screws out, we can take this off. So here we can see the repair I did before, just barely hanging in there. And we have our other 3 switches. So to take them out, we need to twist them off. That one we're going to have to cut off since I used a zip tie there. But it should be the same for this. Alright, now we have the old one out of the way. Alright, now we want to put the new faceplate in place. And we want to attach our devices. They just twist in place. There. Got that one. We got that one. Let's pull this plastic off now. Lift it up, slide it to the side, and now we just need to put the screws back inside of it. Alright, and we are done. Just going to do a quick test. Perfect.